Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the conscious universe. Love, the feelings, emotions to bring peace on earth. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. May 22, 2021. God is love, the only emotion that can bring peace and harmony to Mother Earth. It is a feeling that will restore the planet and humanity to a place we all desire, the new Earth we have been dreaming for. Love is a spiritual connection to the Creator for humanity to find purpose for our lives. Humans interpret unconditional love as a need for someone to love us back, an illusion of separation from Source, all that is. Verily, that is conditional love, a desire to be reciprocated with your feelings of love, more of the romanticist we understand. We are light bringers with a mission to share love to humanity that is ultimately reflected back to us. Share love, send energy to flow to the Creator to humanity to realign people to higher vibration, transforming thoughts and emotions for the Creator to come and stop darkness, the negative human acts within. Love energize with truth energy flowing through us light bringers, you are a full expression of God. Language are filled with words to reflect love like compassion, fondness, tenderness, warmth, intimacy, attachment, endearment, devotion, adoration, passion, yearning, adulation, caring, kindness, romance. But words are insufficient to describe love. Love is a feeling coming from the deep recesses of our hearts, a direct connection with the Creator, as we are source energy beings. Now, heart definitely is not meant the physical heart our medical doctors describe with 4 valves, the right, left ventricle, atriums, aorta, and vena cava, but that sacred heart cosmic chamber in our heart is spiritual connection with God, the cosmic light dimensional beings, our kin of love watching, caring about our beings, as they are us. On earth, love is knowing to love nature, a multicolored flower in bloom, chirping birds, watching butterflies seep nectar on flowers, sitting at a garden watching the sunsets and appreciating the changes of colors of the skies. It really is sacred heart-centered, a feeling of who we really are, as we discover when awakened. We are living at the time of pandemics, abomination, terrorism and wars conducive to accessing and sharing love with mankind suffering on these unwanted conditions done by our dark sides. Access love within, healing, oneness, unity consciousness, and compassion. Once accessed, wisdom, and infinite intelligence are with you, thence you are aware, awakened, knowing you are a light bringer more powerful than darkness. Embrace love within and bring peace and harmony to this world. We all have the same stories of love. Our forefathers are migrants from Spain, Europe, China, the underprivileged, short of the love desired in our ancestors' birth, desirous of having some material things like land on foreign shores and feelings we are loved. From all continents of the world humans turned conquistadors or migrants everywhere. We intermarried, cohabited with people in places we decided to migrate or occupy. Some turned tyrants, negatives, dark, as egos manipulate others unknowing we are actors in a stage for the experience of Creator all within us, thence reflected back to us. Our ancestors happened to be the same from Spain, landed in Capiz, Panay Island, Luzon, threatened by the Spanish governor, left for other islands in the Pacific. As loving protective parents, brothers or elder sisters, we closed our eyes, left younger siblings in several islands to avoid the abuse of autocratic governor from slaughtering them. All Mine to Give, a poignant scripted movie, a story of love and piety of a brother giving away all his brothers and sisters to faraway adults neighbors after their parents died of sickness due to harsh winter causing pneumonia or flu in USA. Feel the emotion of this boy giving away his siblings, our Pacific Islands story that will haunt you the rest of your life. My feelings gave me away as my great-grandparents 1800 AD give away children to others in 3 Pacific Islands, Mindoro, Marinduque, and Tayabas, all in Luzon now known as Philippines, to escape tyranny by a man of the same color, white, who hates to be questioned on his abusive decisions. Spaniards and the locals alike complained in Madrid, Spain of these nightmarish abuses in the 1900. How lucky we are today, but still separated from the rest of our brethren for lack of unity and consciousness we all aspire for. The slavery trade made miserable lives of the Africans, lashed and killed at the discretion of masters who bought them, racist people creating feelings of separation that haunt the colored ones. Gaming or negative acts are the similar to fallen, to darkness, but change to positive outlook, and go within, seek love that expands lifting us, fly with the wind, with the light beyond, and provide the best opportunity for growth. Everything is inside of you, there is no need to look elsewhere. Love, what is it in thy name that it is still haunting us, unreached within by majority of humanity? The emotion, feelings from the heart, That deep connection to the universe, to the cosmic collective consciousness, to a light we call the Creator, are unreached and disconnected. Mankind have innate powers within, claim that feeling, that emotion, that love, all within us human beings. Allow and accept the light energy from within and without. With love, prepare for the shift, the event we are all waiting for. Love and Light, Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author, Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations, creating jobs, as faculty member lectures and share teachings at universities and college, boards and associations. Link at ornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.